Hello everybody out there in the YouTubes. This is my first video. Just want to compare Koken tools to other tools. I haven't seen any comparisons, and I just picked up the 1/4" zeal set and the 3/8 Koken set, Koken zeal set. So thought I'd show everybody how beautiful these tools are. They are amazing. Very happy with them. And I want to compare them a little to the other socket sets that I have. I have the, I got Milwaukee stuff, basically, 1/4 and 3/8. I can compare, let's see here, this is a 3/8 Hazet. We can compare it to. That's a 3. Here's the 3/8 Cyclop. Here's 3/8 Milwaukee. We will compare the 3/8 to the Koken. Koken's actually way smaller. And we'll do a little comparison to 1/4" stuff. So let's do this. I'm only doing this because I haven't really seen any, and I'm very happy with my Koken zeal tools. They are beautiful. I like them. I really like the presentation. They come in this sweet metal case. I already put a sticker on my truck. Very nice tools. Very happy. And then what we'll do is we'll do this. That's a Koken. That's some other ratchets. It's Milwaukee 3/8, so I have all the 3/8 over there. No, look how small that 1/4" the Hazet's probably the closest. So sorry, I don't really have a setup to record. I'm just doing it with my hand and my phone because I don't really make too many of these, but figured we should do a little comparison. I can compare some sockets too. So let's do a normal, infamous 10mm. Here's the 10mm 1/4" Koken. Then we'll do the 10mm Milwaukee. And then I have, these are all 1/4". Where's my 1/4" Wera? That's 10mm Wera. So then here is 10mm Wera in the 1/4" size. As you can see, the zeal is tiny. It's nice. It's real nice. Very happy with that. So we could put hold on. This is 1/4" Wera Cyclop. It's a really nice ratchet. I like it. Compared to the 1/4" zeal. I do like the right switch as in tight and left as in loose. I like that. It's so different than everyone's used to, but I like it. And then we can do the Milwaukee. You can see how small it is compared. The size differences of all of them. One thing I really like about the Koken is the spinny thing. I don't know the name of it, but this little spin socket thing is beautiful. Used it yesterday. Came in handy. I like it. I like the way they do their adapters. So See if we can focus in here. It's like this versus like the joint that everyone else uses. It's real nice. Very nice, like. But here's just a quick little video on the difference of these. These are the 3/8. There's not much of a big difference. The only 3/8 ones I can compare, the 10 Zeal versus the 10 millimeter Milwaukee in the 3/8. It still is quite a bit smaller. I don't have any other 3/8 sockets, just these. Yeah, that was the 10. So very happy with my purchase. Will not be my last Koken purchase. They were very nice, high quality tools. Love the metal case. Part numbers, very nice. Like the handle. This is neat. It's got detents. Hazat ratchets are nice, but the back whatever draft is probably the worst. I'd say Milwaukee has a really good back draft. Better than the Wera. But these Zeals are amazing. This is the 6 tooth. I just ordered them right before the 72 tooths came out, so wish I would have waited a week, but whatever. But these tools are amazing. Highly recommend them. If you like unique, different sets of tools, these it's the 1/4 inch Zeal. They are beautiful. It's fun. Just compared to the Wera. Don't have any Hazat sockets on the Milwaukee. Good job, Koken. Any questions, just ask. Maybe I'll make more videos. But just wanted to get this out there. Highly recommend them. Thanks.